Google Sheet Dashboard Template. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page loads, go to the Google Sheets main dashboard where you can view your spreadsheets and templates. At the top of the page, locate the Template Gallery, which provides a variety of ready-made spreadsheet layouts. Click Template Gallery to view the available templates. Next, scroll through the template categories to explore the available options. Continue scrolling until you find the template labeled Schedule. This template is useful for organizing time-based tasks and can function as a simple planning dashboard. Once you find it, click the Schedule template to open it. Google Sheets will automatically create a new spreadsheet using this template. After the sheet opens, observe the layout of the Schedule template. You will notice that the spreadsheet is already structured with organized sections. Pay attention to the columns provided in the template. These columns typically include sections for time, date, and activities. This structure helps you organize tasks clearly and makes the sheet easy to read. Begin editing the template by changing the schedule title located at the top of the sheet. Replace the existing title with a name that matches your plan or project. For example, you could rename it to something like Weekly Work Plan or Daily Task Schedule. Next, locate the Date section in the template. In this area, edit the day, month, or specific date to match your actual schedule. After updating the date, move to the time column within the schedule table. This column lists time slots that represent different periods of the day. Adjust these time slots according to your own schedule. Next, edit the activity or task name in each row. Replace the sample text with your own tasks or events. You can enter activities such as meetings, project work, study sessions, or personal reminders. Continue editing additional rows to include more schedule items if needed. To improve readability, you may want to format the title. Make the schedule title bold so it stands out clearly at the top of the sheet. Ensure the schedule information is accurate, and remember that Google Sheets automatically saves your changes.